Next, sixth Roman answer in detail பார்க்க போகிறோம். Differentiate metals and non-metals in question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இப்போது metals are lustrous, they have a shining. Non-metals are non-lustrous, they do not shine. அது வந்து என்ன ஆகாது அப்படின்னாக்கா நான் ஷைன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ சர்ஃபேஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா ஷைனி சர்ஃபேஸாக இருக்குது. இது வந்து next Roman is answer in detail. Differentiate metal and non-metal. The answer is they are lustrous. The non-metals are non-lustrous. They have a shiny surface, but they have non-shiny surface. Metals are generally hard. Non-metals are generally soft. Most metal are bendable. Non-metals are non-bendable. Most metal can be bent, beaten into sheets, and they can drawn into wires. Non-metals are non-ductile. Most metals are good conductor of electricity. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Most metal are good conductor of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Most metal are making ringing sound when struck, hence they are used to make objects like bell. Non-metal doesn't make any sound when they struck. Example, copper, lead, tin, nickel. Example for non-metal, carbon, iodine, sulfur. Second question, explain the characteristics of compound. A compound is formed only when the constituent element combine in fixed proportion. The properties of compound are different from those of its constituent element. Third point, a compound cannot be broken down by the physical method. Fourth point, this is because of compound is made up of different elements that are chemically combined. Sodium chloride cannot be separated by physical method such as filtration. Fifth point, a compound can be separated into constituent element by chemical methods only. Third question, describe the different way in which we can write the symbol of element. Give appropriate examples. The answer is, the chemical symbols usually consist of one or two letters. The symbols of most elements correspond to the first letter, which is capitalized for English name. For example, symbol for oxygen is capital O, and that for hydrogen is H, capital H. When there is more than one element that begins with the same letter, their symbol take two letters. First letter is capitalized while the second letter has a lowercase. For example, the names of both hydrogen and helium begin with hydrogen. So hydrogen is represented by the symbol of hydrogen H and helium by He. Some examples, hydrogen for H, phosphorus for P, fluorine for F, sulfur for S, aluminium for Al, chromium for Cr, argon for Ar, cobalt for Co. Fourth question, differentiate between element and compound. Element. An element is the simplest substance. Compound is a chemical substance formed by the combination of two or more elements. Elements combine to form compounds. Compounds can be split into elements. Atoms are the fundamental particle of an element. Molecules are the fundamental particles of compound. Write any 5 characteristics of compound. First one, a compound is formed only when the constituent element combine in fixed proportions. The properties of compound are different from those of its constituent element. A compound cannot be broken down by the physical method. Compound is made up of different elements that are chemically combined. A compound can be separated into constituent element by chemical methods only. Question number 6. List comparative properties of metals and non-metals. Seventh question, write down the properties of metalloids. First point, metalloids usually look like metals but behave largely like non-metals. Physically, they are shiny, brittle solids with the relatively good electrical conductivity. They can form alloys with metals. Most of their physical and chemical properties are intermediate in nature. Fifth, they are semiconductors. All are solid at room temperature. Example, germanium, boron, antimony and silicon. Rewrite the sentence in correct form னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.